As reported by me before, the LR application does not fully work on the Apple iOS operating system. So it was suggested by Unitree support to use the LR application on the Android operating system to get around the situation. Therefore, I installed the LR application on a SANSUMG Galaxy A70 smartphone with version 11 of the Android operating system. And as can be seen in the following images, the problem remains. Therefore, the application, in addition to not displaying complete information, does not allow the activation of the label track for the follow to work.
So you can see the controller is on. I can work the CAN robot with it. I install the SSD Unitree GO1 blah 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 to number to SSD. The application work. You can see connection is perfect, but the indication the battery is red. Okay, now in settings I put is connect local connect, but with the peripherals I see track tag off. You can see the red point indicate is not connect. Okay, is red, and now I touch. You can see the is okay, is on, it work, the dog work, robot dog work, but I can't put on and follow. Continue off. Okay, don't work. The application, I can't not connect the application correctly with the dog robot. Okay. You lack information. 0, 0, 0. Touch dogs is select go 1 is correct. Status, you can see the unique information is app, nothing more is indicate temperature, but I don't know if is correct the motor temperatures, but another information block is not here. Okay, look, the posture is 0, 0, 0, and continue red indicate the battery red, but connection is right. Okay, but not indicate battery. I'm going again to connections, repeat local connection. Another thing, I touch vision, and vision work, look, application work with vision, but the principle is the follow don't work. Okay, please help me on solution of this. I think is any problem. Software was installed or a bug of the application. Okay, please, I need one solution rapidly, because I spend much money of this and I can't work completely. Okay, I wait. for your help. Please